Hi there guys, welcome to Public Policy Made Easy, where we break down heavy university content so even your Gogo can understand it. My name is Karthik Patel and today we are tackling Chapter 1 of Public Policy Management 1. Don't stress, no boring textbook voices here. We are keeping it real, South African, and yet we are keeping it lekker. Let's go. So first question. What is policy? No, it's not the same as law. Let me give you a township analogy. Imagine you live in a block of flats. The landlord says, no noise after 10 pm. That is policy. It's a guideline. It's not like he's going to arrest you. That's law. But if you break it, there are consequences. A policy is basically a rules of how we are going to do things to reach goals. What is public policy? That's when the government make those rules for all of us. Eskom has a policy on how they manage electricity distribution. That's public policy, affecting every South African from Sandton to Soshanguve. Why do we need public policy? Why can't government just wing it? Great question. Without policy, it's like playing a soccer without rules. Imagine Bafana on the field with no offside rules, no referee, no goals, chaos. Public policy gives government direction, accountability, and transparency. In post-1994 South Africa, the government knew they had massive task ahead, fixing apartheid's mess. So they started creating policies, left, right, and center. Housing policy, health policy, education policy. Remember the RDD houses? That came from housing policy. And HI, that's a health policy in progress. Policy is how government says, here is a plan, South Africa. Types of policies. Now let's talk type of policies. Because not all policies are same, Stacy and Booty. You have got strategic policy, the big hits stuff. Think of the National Development Plan that the government saying, here's South Africa Vision 2030, big move. Then you got tactical policy, bit more specific, like the Department of Education saying, here's how we train teachers in rural areas. And then operational policy, a day-to-day stuff, like your school saying, no cell phones in the class. And remember this, policy, program, project. Policy is the idea, program is the plan, project is the action. It's like policy says improve housing, program says build 1,000 houses in Soweto, project says smart construction on Block A by January. Who makes policies? Now here is where people get confused. Who actually makes policies? Many people think it's only Parliament. But no, yes, Parliament makes laws, but schools, hospitals, municipalities, NGOs, they all make policies too. Remember the School Act. The South African School Act of 1996 is a national law passed by Parliament that applies to all public schools in South Africa. It set out requirements like having a school governing body, financial management rules, etc. But within that framework, multiple level of policies make it exist. Parliament makes the national law, the act itself. Provincial Department of Education can make their own policies. For example, around awarding, Section 21 states to schools, individual schools must make their own policies on things like admission, religion, language of instruction, and code of conduct, discipline. The key rule the guide emphasis is no school policy can contradict the Act, and no policy at any level can contradict the Bill of Rights or the Constitution. So the principal at Soweto High can say, we wear grape hats. That's a school policy. But they cannot say girls aren't allowed to learn. that violates the Bill of Rights. Yes, the Constitution is the boss of all bosses. Policy environment. Public policy doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's shaped by what's happening around us. The economy, politics, social issues, even a weather. Remember ESCOM again? A load shedding started as an energy policy failure. There's your national environment, unemployment, crime, inequality, and your international environments like COVID 19, one virus in China, and suddenly South Africa had a whole new set of policy overnight. That was public policy in action. Fast, responses, imperfect, but necessary. Okay, before we go, let's do a quick recap. Remember, policy is guideline to reach a goal. Public policy is something government guideline that affects all of us. Policy, program, and project, they are all interconnected. Know the difference. Everyone makes policy, not just the parliament. Policy is shaped by your environment, local and global. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Policy is a government game plan. And like any game plan, it can be brilliant or can go sideways. That is why we study it. That's chapter 1 done and dusted. Like, subscribe, and comment below what South African policy do you think worked. Next episode, we'll be covering the history of policy studies. And it is actually juicier than you think. See you there.